have a passport. Beckinsale is the side piece. I think wifey has to be Kate Upton. She is bad. I mean, what else do you want me to say? Yeah, she looks real good. And as Tommy mentioned before we started the show, Bob's back in the modeling world. Gotta love that. She looks like, beyond her being a model, she looks like a normal girl. You know what I'm saying? If you saw that girl at the bar, she'd still be attractive. Like, a lot of these models have these goofy looks that I'm not really a big fan of. If you look weird and whatever. That's my set.
All right, Thomas.
I mean, I'm just ashamed of Clinton's answers.
Wow.
But I'll just dish out the right ones. And I have the advantage of kind of sitting and percolate on this a little more. Upton, wifey, no doubt. 19 years old.
Thank you.
I agree with you on that. But 19 years old, fresh, untarnished, a little bit.
Sounds like he's getting mangoes at the grocery store.
Yeah, wifeying it up. That's fine. I'm not worried about that many other dudes. That's it. Perfect.
She got a low number. Still a one.
Middleton is the side piece.
What?
Guess what?
Royal side.
Lady in the streets, but a freak in the bed. No doubt about it. Give me that little piece of royalty booty as the side piece. And Beckinsale, unfortunately, never ever would I, because she's been through the ringer, son. You're out. I'm sorry, you're out on the curb. And to quote a British, like the rubbish.
You know what?
That was the worst British.
I know. It's a little Slumdog Millionaire British.
Gotta work on it.
All right, here's the correct answer. The correct answer.
Lucky a job.
Wifey is Kate Middleton. Simply because she's your wife. She's the one you bring out. Now, Thomas.
She's not the royalty.
This is my show, son. I'm giving you the answers.
Your segment might be short-lived.
Kate Upton is the side piece. Okay, Kate Upton is the joint that you don't want to be around. She's 19. You said it. She's annoying, probably as the day is long. However, that's a great side piece. Now, Kate Beckinsale, I love you. I just saw Contraband a couple weeks ago. You're still bad, but unfortunately, you're in your mid-30s.
Damn. Y'all cats just locked it on top.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
British experience.
Broadcasting live from the most powerful city in the world.
I know you heard me on the radio.
DC, Maryland, Virginia.
The nation's capital is a reminder of the history we share in common, bound to the city by tradition.
Oh, hey, where you from, dog? DC? Word? That's a rough city, man. DC is different. Took me years to be able to do this show, boy. DC has changed. It's different now.
The studio's right through here. I've lined you up with a talk show that'll give us the kind of exposure we need.
Ladies and gentlemen.